Hello guys, welcome to my SQL tutorial today. My name is Chibikim, and today we'll be continuing from where we stopped in the select statement, and we want to see the operators in SQL. There are lots of them, but we'll see a few of them in this tutorial. So first we'll have to go to the table we created, and we retrieve everything we have in the table. We learned this in a previous tutorial where we discussed about select statement. So I want us to see everything we have in the table, and then we will see how to use the operator. First is the equal to operator, which we have been using in this tutorial, but I would just like to highlight more on it. Equal to operator is used to get a particular figure by doing an equation. So let's just see it in action. I'm going to do select star from employee, which is a table we created, where city equal to Lagos. So doing this will give us all the employee that lives in Lagos. So if I execute this, we see that the city here contains those living in Lagos. So this equal to is an operator. We can also do not equal to, which will filter out those that are not living in Lagos. To do the not equal to, we use the exclamation sign. So if we execute this line of code, we won't be able to see any city containing Lagos in the city column. Another thing we can do, we can use the greater than less than sign as not equal to as well. This gives us the same result. So whichever one you choose, it gives us the same result. So let's put in the equal to and we execute. We see that we have the same result as well. So next is the greater than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to. Assuming we want to have, say, the age of employees we had that are 18 years old or greater than 18 years, we'll just change the query to say select employee where age is greater than 18. So if we execute this now, we see that the age we have here are all greater than 18. If we want it to be those that are greater than equal to 18, which means they can be 18 years old, we just add the equal to sign in front of the greater than, and this will add or retrieve those that are 18 years as well. So if we check the list now, we see that we have an 18-year-old here. Same with less than. If we want to see those that are less than 18 years old, I don't think we have any such value, so we're expecting an empty query. But if we do less than or equal to 18 years, we can get just this one because this is the only employee with is 18, that is 18 years old in this column, in this table. So let's see next we will consider the in operator. Um, uh, Before now, if assuming I want to retrieve those that are between 20 or that are 20, 25, and 30 years old, without the in operator, I would have done something like this. Select star from employee where age is equal to 20 or age equal to 25 or age equal to 30. Now, if we execute this query, we see that it gives us the age of those that are 20, 30, between the ages of 20, 25, and 30, as you can see. But looking at this query, this looks complicated if we have so many of these to do. It looks complicated. So this is where we use the in operator. I will still leave this here. So that we can compare the two to see how the in operator comes in here to give us something that will be very simple. So with this, I'm going to where age in, we don't need the equal to here, in, and I'll open the bracket, 20 comma 25 comma and 30. So this gives us the same value as this. So if I run this script now, line of code, it gives us the same value. So you see that the in operator makes it very easy for us to write such a query, unlike using the age equal to 20, age equal to 30, or age equals to this. So we see how the in operator makes it easy, clean, and understandable for us. So this is how we use the in. Another is the between operator. The between operator is used to get a value between one value and another value. Let's see this in action. Assuming I want to get the age of employees that are between the ages of 20 and 30, I will use where age between 20 and 30. So if I run this, you will see that this gives us almost, or if not the same result, between 20 and 30, or if I can say between 30 and 40. So this will give us between the ages of 30 and 40. This is how the between, if you see the age, you see everything here now is between the ages of 30. We have 30, we have 40, 30, 30, 30, 35, and 30. So this gives us the ages between 30 and 40. That is how to use the between operator. Next, we'll see how to use the like operator. The like operator is used to pick a certain pattern, or to select a certain pattern. Let's just see this in action. If I say select star, let me copy and paste to make it faster. Assuming I want to select a pattern from the email, I want to get those whose email starts with the letter E. I'm going to type where email like, using the like operator here now. Now, how do I get this? I'll put a single quotation mark, and then I'm going to use C. I'll type C. I'll type C, and then I'll put the percentage sign, the at, and the percentage sign. And then when I run this, you see that this gives me the the email of those that starts, whose email starts with the C, the letter C. So let me explain this to you. Now what this means is we'll have this percentage sign, which means 0 or more character. So what I'm telling SQL to do for me is get me any email that starts with C, and after that any character can follow, and then an at, and after that any character can follow. So this is the percentage sign is used to get a 0 or more character. Now if I put an underscore. An underscore is used to get a single character. Assuming I want to get, assuming I want to get uh, those that have just single characters in their email, I will say an underscore dot underscore at and then a percentage sign. This gives me those that just have a single characters in their email, like you see t.j@gmail.com, s.t@gmail.com, because the underscore means just a single character with an at, and then we have a percentage sign which signifies zero or more character. This is how we use the this to get a particular expression. Another thing in the like operator is using the bracket, assuming I want to get the names of those that starts with E and P. I can do a like. I'll put a square bracket. I'm going to type E and C in here, and then a percentage sign outside. So this will return the let me put name here. Your name, like this pattern. So it gives me, I will retrieve the names of those that starts with E and C, and then anything follows, getting a multiple value. So now we see these are the names of those that start with E and C. So this is how we use the like. But next we will see here is the caret sign. If we want to filter out those names that start with E, this is just like the not as well. That's what we saw in the in our previous example. I'll type in the caret sign, and this will remove the names that start with E and return the rest of the value. So we see those names have gone, and we have a negation sign. So these are most of the operators we have in SQL. We have so many of them. You can go to sites like W3C School. You will see a lot of them, and there you know how to use them. So this the tutorial is getting very long here, so I will stop this here, and we'll call it a day. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also the like the video, and also hit the notification icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.